Today we shall resume with the direct examination of Ms. Gina Acosta, the clerk of court, through the sergeant at arms. It's directed to kindly situate Ms. Gina Acosta to the witness stand. Ma'am Gina, sa witness stand na po kayo. Before we continue, appearances for the parties.
Same appearance for the prosecution, Your Honor. We are ready.
Good morning, Your Honor. Same appearances for respondent accused.
May I now turn over to Attorney Ligutan, counsel for the prosecution, for the continuation of the direct testimony of our witness, Your Honor.
Yes, you may. Attorney Ligutan, you recognize. Thank you, Honorable Chua. Ma'am Gina, patuloy po kayo magbibigay ng testimonya base po sa nauna ninyong panunumpa nung nagdaang linggo. Naunawaan niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your Honor. May buntag po sa tanan.
So under oath pa rin po kayo at magpapatuloy po yung inyong direct examination. Good morning to you as well. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Magandang umaga. Good morning again, Miss Gina Acosta. Kumusta po kayo?
Good morning po, sir.
How are you?
Medyo kabado po.
Kabado pa rin. Now, let's continue. Now, nasabi mo during the previous hearing na na-withdraw yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang araw lang. Di po ba yung rason doon that you had to withdraw 125 million pesos in one day on December 20, 2022 kasi nga hindi na siya magagamit ng opisina nyo from after December 31, 2022. Di po ba?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po na yung confidential fund for 2022 dapat po magamit po within the year 2022.
Until December 31, tama po ba? Now, by the way, nasabi mo na you put yung 125 million pesos sa apat na traveling bags. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And then, saan galing itong mga traveling bags na ito?
Yung naimungkahi ko po yun kay Ma'am BP Sara at saka kay Asik Ortonio. And then, naisabi ko din yun kay Colonel La Chica.
Okay. Naimungkahin nyo kay BP Sara yung apat na traveling bags. Yung tanong, ano ba yung naging tugon ng Vice President pagkatapos mong imungkahin sa kanya yung apat na traveling bags na ito?
Nagsabi lang po siya na okay.
Okay.
Tapos yung kay Sir La Chica po,
Kay Ma'am Sara lang po. Kay BP Sara lang muna, ha? Yun lang yung tanong. Now, Ma'am, hindi po ba na nung araw na iyon, nagpunta kayo sa bangko, dala-dala na yung apat na traveling bags. Tama po ba?
yes, Your Honor.
Apat lang yung dinala nyo, di ba?
Opo.
Now, ito yung tanong now. Kasyang-kasya yung 125 million pesos into 4 traveling bags. Yung tanong is ganito. Paano niyo po nalaman na saktong-sakto sa apat na traveling bags, yung 125 million pesos, paano niyo nalaman?
Objection, Your Honor. The question is misleading. The witness has not testified as to the nasaktong-sakto yung bag.
But Your Honor,
Overruled. Witness testified that it fit and she brought 4 traveling bags and that they brought out the 4 traveling bags from the bank with the assistance of the security guards of the bank. Witness may answer. Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Paano niyo nalaman na 4 na bag ang kailangan niyong dalhin para sa 125 million?
Ano po? Gitansya ko lang po.
Estimate lang.
Opo, estimate.
Hindi pa po niyo yun nagawa sa talambuhay ninyo.
Wala po, sir. Dili pa po. Wala
Please
po.
proceed, Counsel.
okay, now, hindi po ba, this is a probing question, Your Honor, hindi po ba na saktong-sakto yung 4 na bags dinala nyo? Kasi po, na-experience nyo na yung pag-i-encash ng around the same amount, 500 million pesos, yung panahon na kayo ay SDO ng Davao City. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered, Your
No,
Honor.
this is a probing question.
Asked and answered, Counsel, she said hindi pa. Try to elicit a contrary answer from her. Right?
Your Honor, now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na sa taong 2019, Madam City, under sa pamumuno ng Mayor at the time, Sara Duterte, in 2019, ma'am, binigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds yung Davao City. Now, before you answer that, I'm showing you an infographic, okay, of the yearly confidential funds allocated to Davao City from 2016 to 2022. Now, ito yung tanong now. Hindi po ba in 2019, yung allocated na confidential funds para sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
For 2020, 460 million pesos din yung na-allocate to Davao City as confidential funds. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi hindi po ganyan ang aking na-withdraw as SDO po sa Davao City.
Alright. Ma'am, so yung tanong, hindi yung how much yung na-withdraw nyo. Yung tanong is, how much yung na-allocate.
Hindi ko maalala, Your
Alright,
Honor.
sige. For 2021, hindi mo rin maalala na yung na-allocate na amount as confidential funds sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Hindi mo rin maalala yan, ma'am?
Hindi ko na maalala, Your Honor. Dugay na, tagal naman kasi yun, Your Honor.
Alright.
Tapos may edad na po ako, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay. That is your answer. For 2022, so what sinasabi nyo? Okay, what about for 2022? Before you transfer to the OVP, okay, yung Davao City nabigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds, 2022. Hindi nyo rin maalala yan.
Hindi ko maalala,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor, kung ilan ay mauba na o yan ba ang confidential fund, Your Honor.
Is it because, sabi mo, sa edad nyo, hindi nyo na maalala, ma'am? Di po ba?
Contributor po ang edad ko, Your Honor, at saka dugay na po na, Your Honor.
Okay na.
Tagal na, Your Honor.
By Dugay, the witness said matagal na. 2022. 2022. 4 na taon pa lang yung nakalipas. No, I'm not yet done. I'm not yet done.
Kindly let the counsel finish.
This is a probing question. And you are telling this public, ma'am, hindi niyo na maalala yung amount na binigay sa OVP na nangyari lang 4 na taon pa lang.
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered and argumentative, Your Honor.
He's trying to impeach, I believe, the witness with
Yes.
respect to the earlier answer that she gave, which she can do, counsel, given that she has been declared by the court as a hostile witness. Witness may answer. Objection overruled.
Hindi niyo maalala, ma'am, 2022?
Ano po yun, sir? Yung I'm confused.
Confused.
Nalibog ko, I'm confused kung ang pangutanan ni mo sa Davao ba o
Davao
ang
City.
pagka-vice-presidente
Davao
ni Ma'am
City po.
Sara.
Before po kayo na-transfer from Davao City to the OVP in 2022, yung budget for 2022 confidential funds is 460 million pesos. You don't also remember that?
Dili ko kaya rinumdum, sir.
You don't remember that. All in all, from 2019, 2022, a simple math will tell us 1,840,000 pesos. Almost 2 billion confidential funds sa Davao City binigay. Hindi nyo rin naalala yung total na yan. Tama po ba?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, last year, August 17, 2026, nasabi nyo that you released 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung instruction sa iyo ng head of agency. Now, to refresh your memory, here's a short clip of that hearing before the Committee on Good Government. Play the video, please.
Kasalukuyan pong inihahanda mga kumbo yung pong video